In this question, we have been told that you have to calculate the derivative of y with respect to x. So we have to calculate dy upon dx. Now here have been given that dy is a function of u. So from here we can find out dy upon du, and from here we can find out du by dx. So ultimately we will reach at dy upon dx. So let us first just calculate dy upon du. So as we can see that it is a question of division, so here we have to apply the quotient rule. So here v square, this is v, this is u, again v, d upon dx of u minus u, d upon dx of v. So if we solve this will be same 2 plus u, and the derivative of 3 minus u will be 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 3 minus u, derivative of 2 plus u will be 0 plus 1, so it will be positive 1. So below it will be 2 plus u square. So if we open these brackets, it is minus 2 minus u minus 3 plus u divided by 2 plus u square, and ultimately it will be minus 5. This u will be cancelled, divided by 2 plus u square. So now we have solved this and we calculated dy upon du, and this is the answer. So let us just write this answer here so that we can put up for our final solution. So this is what we have got. Coming to the second part of the question, here we can calculate du upon dx. So here also we can say, as it is in the form of u upon v, so quotient rule will be applicable. V square, v derivative of u minus u derivative of v. So solving this, it will be same. Derivative of 4x is 4 minus 4x. Here derivative will be 0 minus 2x. So that will be minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square whole square. Again solving this, it will be 4 minus 4 square. It will be plus 8x square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. It is equal to 4 plus 4x square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. So this is what we got from du upon dx. So let us write this solution over here in front of du upon dx. That is 4 plus 4x square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. So now finally we have to calculate in the question dy upon dx. So we have dy upon du, then we have du upon dx. So with the help of chain rule we can solve it. Therefore putting the values in this, it is minus 5 divided by 2 plus u. In place of u we can put this value, 4x divided by 1 minus x square into du, 4 plus 4x square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. Now for solving it further, we can take the LCM from here and then we can multiply. Minus 5 divided by, it will be 2 minus 2x square plus 4x divided by 1 minus x square into 4 plus 4x square 1 minus x square whole square. After this you can solve this point and you will be able to reach at the final solution. This is another question where you have been told to calculate dy upon dx. So here if you see, if we calculate dy upon du we can calculate, and here it will be a power u into log a. So this is, we have calculated dy upon du, and in this question the second function has been given, u is equals to 1 plus x square. So from here if we calculate du upon dx can be calculated. So it will be derivative of these two, its derivative will be 0 and second's derivative will be 2x. So now finally we have to calculate dy upon dx. So that will be dy upon du multiplied by du upon dx. So filling the values, au into log a multiplied by 2x. So here we can finally fill the value of u. So our answer will be, we can put 2x further into a's power 1 plus x square into log a. This is another example of chain method. So here also y has been given, u has been given. If we calculate dy upon du from here, so we know that derivative of e raised to power x is always equal to x, and derivative of e raised to power 2x, we have seen that it is 2e 2x. So same is the case with this also. If we will calculate derivative of e raised to power 2u, it will be 2e 2u, and derivative of du upon dx, it will be 3x square. So now finally putting the chain rule, derivative of y with respect to x, so this formula dy upon du multiplied by du upon dx. So values are 2e 2u into 3x square. Now we will put the value of u, 2e 2u, u was x cube into 3x square. So if we want to solve this further, 3 into 2 we can say it is 6 x square e raised to power 2x cube. So this will be the final answer.